Alright, I've got this ABUS 7240, a little 3-pin lock, which another member in my Australian Discord server bought a couple, but they were missing some pins and the shackles didn't work, and I thought, I've got one of them, so I'll just get it out and give it a quick pick. I could do this in hand, but it'll be better for a video if I don't. So, pin 1 right up the front there, high lift in this case, just touch pin 2, alright, it does have some spools in it from memory. Come on. And open. Not a particularly difficult pick. But there we go. So, don't have a key for this one, annoyingly, but so we're just gonna try and drop that out and do that. Screw down there. Don't want to lose the tension and drop the whole thing. Oh, we're okay now. Come on. Okay, so there's our core actuator in there. Nothing interesting with that. So you can see we got our 1, 2, 3 key pin holes that are on an offset. C-clip on the back. It's been a long time since I've picked or gutted this thing, so I don't remember how to do it safely, but go. Oh, I forgot to turn on my light. Whoops. Hey! That goes off. Flying into oblivion. We found it. Alright, we're going to need a shim on that, mostly because it's the direction I've picked it. Alright, we'll get that in. Takes a small size follower, obviously. Not upside down. Dropped about. We go in that order. Alright, so 1, 2, and 3. So there's our core. Nothing exciting there. There's our keyway. The keyway, relatively easy. Just machined for 1, 2, 3, which is odd. Like, it could easily fit a 4th. It's long enough. And it's weird how far up the front the first one is. Like, it's right up there. Normally you'd think it'd be a bit further in, but guess not. Tiny little, like, American 1100 size pins. Master lock pins or whatever. Let's get that shim out of the way. Tweezers. Alright. In 1, standard pin. So note they've got these really annoying ABUS springs. See how far up that sits? Makes it very annoying to put back together. Alright, so anyway, that's pin 1. Pin 2, a little spool. Again, the spring sits proud of the housing. And pin 3, also a spool. And spring. And that's it. See, they're drilled in there on an angle, which is odd, basically strange. I mean, it's because it's got the screw hole on the back. They wanted to leave room for that, I guess. But yeah, it's weird that there are only 3 pins, so they do exist. They do come like that. That's a 7240. It's got a ball bearing mechanism up there. They're not bad for a 3-pin lock, but you know, you could buy a lock with more than 3 pins in it and that would be better. So there you go. ABUS 7240.